Hey guys, what's up? This weekend I went to a museum. If you like it, please keep watching. The weather wasn't that nice, so we decided to go to the Canadian Museum of Nature to explore something interesting. And I heard from my boyfriend that there were giant dinosaur bones for exhibition, which made me very excited. Oh yeah, the tickets were in hand, so we were about to check in. The first stop was Fossil Gallery. As you can see, there were so many visitors there. I assume people were just naturally drawn to dinosaurs. There was something about them that made us want to explore and learn more. The dinosaur eggs and the nearly hatched baby dinosaur totally grabbed my attention. We also saw some other kind of dinosaurs which look like crocodile, rhino, unicorn, one of birds, kangaroo, monkey. They were so amazing. The dinosaur models looked so real, and even though I knew it wasn't real, I still had to gather my courage a few times to touch its horn. Next stop was Mammal Gallery. This section was all about the wild mammals of North America. I spotted a few polar bears first, walking through the snow. Then came a group of cougars resting on rocks. Some Arctic hares pooping in the snow. And several grizzly bears towering in the corner. There were moose, wolves, even a herd of musk oxen, all frozen in time, yet full of life. Caribou, pronghorns, seahorse sheep, and a few hardworking beavers completed the scene. It felt like I have stepped right into the wild. Oh my, guess what we found before we left? A little polar bear were hiding just behind a giant ice rock. It was so surprising. Alright, it's time to head to the next stop, Water Gallery. The moment we walked in, we were greeted by a giant whale skeleton right in the middle. This jellyfish looked so magical under the blue light. I could have watched them for hours. I was honestly blown away. Next stop, the Earth Gallery. I don't know what it was, but the moment we stepped into the hallway, it felt magical. There were so many different minerals here. Some were specky, some were smooth, and all of them were stunning. At the very end, a cave awaited us. Luckily, we were the only ones inside, allowing us to fully immerse ourselves in the exploration. Then we made it to Canada Goose Arctic Gallery. The hallway was super colorful, like walking through a rainbow. Here is a Canada goose, captured in a lifelike pose. Last stop, we came to Tree Gallery. This section was kind of different from other galleries. Once we got to the front desk, they handed us receivers and headphones to set up, and waited to enter and started the tour. Last but not least, we headed to a souvenir store before we left. There were so many cute products related to the museum. and I got a mood ring with a dinosaur for myself. I had a feeling that I would wear it quite often.